How to unlock Facebook account. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can unlock Facebook account. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to launch Google in your device. And in the search bar, type in Facebook Help Center. Navigate to the first link. That's gonna take you to the Facebook Help Center. Under this page, tap on Login, Recovery and Security. Scroll down a bit and then select Recover Your Account. Under Recover Your Account, select the second option, Recover Your Facebook Account if you cannot access your account email address or mobile phone number. Here again, keep on scrolling till you find a section that says, was this helpful? Then select No. Then select the second option, the solution does not work. Then you will have this description box right here. Here you have to provide or describe about your issue. You can provide the full description about your account and provide a valid reason why you think your Facebook account was locked, and you can request the Facebook Support Center in order to unlock your account with a valid reason. Then tap on Submit. Once you have submitted your description or your issue to Facebook Support, it will get back to you in order to unlock your account. So you have to wait until the Facebook Support review your request. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.